Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, in Allah's apostles' times, the people of Medina were struck by famine. During this period, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering Friday's sermon, and a man got up and said, O Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the horses have perished, the goats have perished, so make an invocation to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for blessing us with rain. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands for supplication. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, at that time the sky was as clear as glass, but wind started blowing, clouds appeared, and the different patches of clouds combined, and the sky showered the rain to such an extent as we returned to our houses in sweeping rain, and it continued pouring down till the next Friday. So that person or some other one got up and submitted, O Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the houses are collapsing, so make a supplication to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to stop it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, smiling, around us, not upon us. Hazrat Anas says, I looked up to see the clouds shattered above Medina and stretched around it as if they were a crown. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3582.